budget JK today, and these lights were sent to me by Nilight. They're on Amazon for $107. JK LED headlights and the fog lights. So that's what's going in this thing, because this build here is going to be a $10,000 Jeep, all in. The Jeep, everything we do to it, counting this $107. Even though they gave these to me, I'm still going to add $107 to the budget. So here's what we got. We got LED headlights and LED fog lights. Pretty sweet for $107. So we're gonna get this one torn down, get these in there, see how sweet they are. These are the halogens, they're junk. I'll show you how junk they are. Wow, wow, wow. Look at how lame those are. Those aren't very bright. I'll get out of the way. But look how lame those are. We'll get some LEDs in here and I'll show you how much more not lame it is. Whoop, whoop. So on your JK Wrangler, your 7 to 18, here's what you do to get this grill out so you can get in here. Right across the top, you've got this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clips. You take them out, that loosens the whole top up. The bottom is just held in on with some clips here on the bottom. They just pull out. You pull them clips, and then right here, you just on the back side, you reach your hand around, you undo that light, undo this light. This grill comes out like this. Easy as that. Now your grill's out, and now you got these Torx. Take this Torx here out, you got 4 of them on each headlight. You take that out and you unplug them. Easy as that. That's boring. I'll get these ones unbolted and bolt the new ones in. All right, so easy work in a couple of minutes. We're talking 5 minutes. These headlights are back in. So kill some lights for me, Seth. And boom! They are so much brighter than the factory incandescents. I don't know if you can tell on there or not, especially with me standing in front of them. But right there you go. They're so much brighter. I'll show you the brights. We're getting ready to throw the fog lights in next. Woo. But so much better than the factory lights. I like them a lot, especially for $107. And the link for these lights is in the description. Check that out. We're gonna pull it on a rack real quick, swap out these fog lights. Let's look at these fog lights real quick here before I do it. There's our factory fog lights. How are they, Levi?
Not bright.
Not bright? Oh, you just wait. All right, so we went to put these LED fog lights in here, and I decided we might as well go ahead and upgrade the bumper while we're at it. So we put a bumper on it and the factory replacement LED fog lights. So kill them lights, Seth. So that right there is just the LED fog lights. Much improved over the factory incandescent fog lights. And now Seth, kick on them headlights. So there it is, low beams and these Nilight fogs. We go to high beam, Seth. So now on our high beams, it kicks off the factory fogs. So check that out. Them are bright. All right, kick it all back on, Seth. All right, lights on. All right, so that's these Nilights here for $107. These are super nice lights. I'm impressed for $107 for sure. I'd pay twice that, honestly. Don't raise the price though. But links in the description if you want to pick yourself up some. So that was it. Have a good one.